So okay, this has been a long time coming, okay, and I've been trying to like try out one of Smitha Deepak eyeshadow tutorial. They all look so amazing, so simple, but seeing it, thinking it's simple actually does not mean that it's going to come out well, especially if you don't have the exact color and product that she has. But I'm thinking that as long as the color that they have is close to what she used, that is still going to come out amazingly well. So today is the day that I'm going to try it out. So in this particular tutorial, I'll put the title of that video up somewhere. She used a deep brown eyeshadow, which I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession. So the deep brown I have in this particular collection is this one here, and she used black. I have black around here, even though this particular black of mine is somehow powdery. Then the highlighter she has is like, I don't know, but I have something similar. I'm going to be using this one. I'll be using this my brush. It does not look like a brush, but I'm still going to use it. She used that, and she used this that she used. So we are going to start with the brown. She said to pack the brown with this one. Okay, so she said pack it at the outer corner of the eye. Did this way and this way. Then she used the brush to smoke it out. I'm still going to use the brush to pack some. She used the brush to smoke it out. So I feel like I've spread it out a little, like she said. So the next one now is going to be the black eyeshadow. Oh my god. So the black was placed around here. Okay, spread out around here. Okay, spread out. Oh god, I don't know where she put it again. I cannot remember where she put it again. Is it around here? Yes, around that side. I don't like putting eyeshadow down my eyelid because of the speck in my eye. I get so uncomfortable. But we'll see. So I'll use the brush to blend the black out to here. I think she did up to here. Okay, and around that side. How is it turning out? Is it turning out? Okay, let's still blend it out. I'm so scared. Okay, right. All right, the next one is this one. Oh, am I getting it? I think she said something like it should be put under like this side. I don't know if I like this because I'm scared of putting this thing in my... Wow. This. I don't know if, I think it was just around here. I want to blend with my hand. So now I'm going to be using my mascara. I am not going to use eyelashes. I think it's smoked out enough. Ah! I think I tried today. I got it. I think I got it. Wow. Okay, so this particular lipstick, I was also trying it out. I don't know if Smoky Eye goes with this bold lipstick, but right now I'm going to like switch it so that it does not draw too much attention from the Smoky Eye. All right. All right. Okay, so maybe the Smoky Eye looks better with this lipstick. What do you think? Okay, so bye.